Sage, did you go into septic shock last night? You did? You don't look like you did. Help? Now you want the camera too? I don't think so. So you want a camera for Christmas? And you already told me you wanted a radio and an ultrasound machine? You're getting expensive. Oh. Is there something else you want? I bet. Are you crawling? You gonna start crawling? You are? Kaboom! You really want the camera? Where are you going? Sagey, you're gonna fall off the mat. Sage, come back here. Where are you going? You're taking my phone with you. Did I get any good messages? Thank you. What does it say? I don't know either. If I let you play with the video camera, will you promise not to do anything like you did last night ever again? You don't? Well, we don't have a deal then. Are you playing drums with your feet? See, I don't think Mommy feels as good as you do. Hi. Don't you have a cold still, too? You don't care? Is that a frog? Or the frog needs a sticker? Where are you going? Sagey, do not do it. That's right, no, no, no. Goofball, no, no, no. Oh, you think that's so funny, huh? So funny. Oh, you're just so funny, huh? You telling Mommy no, no, no? No, no, no. What are you doing? Eat? You want to eat your machine? Got a sticker. Butterflies. Can we get back on the mat? Yeah? Okay. Hi. All done? All done. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Are you gonna eat turkey? And potatoes? Sage, where are you going? Get your butt back on the mat. You're making your numbers go crazy. Can we not play with wires? Ah, give me that. Give me that. Yeah, it goes in my phone.